Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Terraform in your instance. So I just go to the Google and download and just write Terraform download and it would show this page. Just click on first link so you would get this page and just select Linux and select Amazon Linux. As I have done this, I have my EC2 instance, or if you have Fedora or CentOS or Ubuntu, so use the commands accordingly. So in my case it is Amazon Linux, so I am just using these. First you will have to install yum utilities. It is already there. Then add it and just install Terraform. Once you install, so you just write Terraform, so it would give this information. Just write Terraform version, so it is 1.1.4 version installed in your Linux system. Thank you.